Now we are going to see how to create the tables in HTML. Before that, let's see what is table. In the web page, mostly you have seen with column heading and rows and columns. So these are all the table. We have 2 rows and 2 columns in the particular table with the column heading. Let me show you how we can create that. The table element has 4 sub-elements: table row, table header, table data and caption. Let's see each and everything one by one. In order to create the table, you need to use the tag name, start tag name as table, and it should be end with the / table. This is a basic procedure. And after that, you need to use table row and within the angle bracket tr. So tr considered as table row, and th is for table heading, and td is for table data. The very simple procedure. Let me copy this code and paste it in the editor so you can see very easily. Here we have the first tr starts from here, table row, and after that we have table headings, column 1 header and column 2 headers. So we have 2 th. Th also should be end tag with / of th. So this is the first line. For this headers, column 1 header and column 2 header. Very simple, we have created the column headers. And the next is for the row 1 column 1 and row 1 column 2. So this is for the next row. So the tr is for table row, right? That's what we have. Another tr and td is for table data. Like this, you can create multiple rows as well as multiple columns. If you want to add multiple rows, you can do that. Let me add one more column. Column 3. Let me run this one. Here you can see it's added one more row as well as one more column in this particular table. Like this, you can add it. Even you can add multiple tr. So that tr, which is nothing but table rows. I will add one more row so you can see. As of now, it has only 2 rows. I'll add one more thing. Perfect. Currently it's added one more row in this particular table. Very simple procedure. Directly you can use it, as well as you can customize the table with colors and the font as well as border. You can do anything with this table. Here I have applied the table border is equal 1. Very simple basic item I have added. tr, th, and within the tr we have used td because of tr referring table row. For each and every row we should have some values, right? So that we have used td. td is for table data. Here we have provided the example. What is tr, what is th, and what is td. And also you can align like table border, cell padding, then caption, like that. You can do multiple things with this particular table. I'll attach this file in the resource. Just use this file to make the changes, like the color as well as width. Anything you can do it. Like for one of the particular column, if you want to make the width, you can do it. For entire table, if you want to make the changes, you can do it.